Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. As we all know, TikTok has a policy that you can only go live if you have 1,000 followers. But if you're a small creator like me and you don't have 1,000 followers, just follow these easy steps to go live. First, of course, open your TikTok and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, we need to go to our profile. Go to settings and privacy. From there, scroll down. And then under support, tap report a problem. Once you're on this page, scroll down. And on the last part, you'll see submit a report. Tap on that. Then here I'll type in the exact concern that we want to raise. So in my case, I've mentioned that my followers want me to go live and I want them to give me a permission to go live on TikTok. I also tried to put my username in here for an added assurance. Once you're done with the description, just press submit. Once you submit your claim, then TikTok will get back to you via email. Just make sure that the email address that you've registered with your TikTok is the active email address you're using. And that's how you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.